We got a gun. Bam, boom, woo, woo. Rock and woo, woo.
Now do we come?
Oh, Bob, you stink. That wasn't me, man. Oh, really? Woo! Wow, I need a puke bucket. Anyways, we got a gun. We got a gun. Yeah. Oh, Bob! 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 I think I see almost enemy. You have to start shooting at us like Dean Cloudy or something. What?
No,
There was a bad guy! No, there wasn't. That's Moo.
Like they come? And he comes?
And then...
What the fuck? He comes!
What? Growing beans? Where? Why? Oh, who?
We're gonna grow like a tree like that. Yeah.
Where?
In a little pot.
Where? Like...
In the backyard.
In your backyard?
Yeah, in our backyard. I'm planting sunflowers. Come on, Taylor. Wait, kill me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, bad guy has to come. A bad guy has to come. Yeah, woo, yeah.
Then the other bad guy.
Oh my god. Willie. I see,
Comes up and you can fly.
I see, oh my god, I see two of them. Willie!
Yes.
No, you have to get away, and then you run away.
Why?
Run away. What? I was just going to the washroom.
God, see that?
Oh,
Yeah, boom, but...
oh.
You hold it.
Awesome. We are the champions of the world.